Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you all are doing great. I'm also doing good, neither great nor bad, but just good. Okay, so how is your English speaking journey going? Mine is going on and off. Sometimes I feel highly motivated to learn something new, to learn this language, to speak more and more, to make videos, to read something, to write something. But sometimes I feel very lethargic. I don't feel so that I should do this or that. Today I want to talk about reading. I'm not talking about that how reading can help you to improve your English, but I just want to share my opinion, my some experiences. Yes, my some basic experiences on my niche in books. My niche in novels means which type of genre I like, or when I came to know that this is my genre, this is my actual genre in books. Okay, so in the starting I didn't I'm not a very big fan of reading novels or fictional books because I am always into my syllabus books or study related books. Okay, so when I started reading books or novels, that kind of story books, I think it's been 2 or 3 years. Okay, that's it. And at the starting I started like I purchased some motivational books by which I can learn something. Okay, I started with those kinds of books because I felt that if I'm reading something, so it could be something, it must be add some value in my life. So I started with motivational novels like Atomic Habits, Good Vibes, Good Life, and Power of Now, and some others. I'm not able to recall right now. Okay, yes. So, after reading 10 or 15 pages of these books, I used to get bored. I don't use, feel to, I didn't feel to read those books again. Somehow I completed Good Vibes, Good Life, and Atomic Habits, but I didn't feel very good, very attached, or that I read something really that felt myself good. So, after giving the last exam of mine, I started reading novels. Okay, I started with a novel of Sudha Murthy, The Magic of the Lost Temple. Okay, so after that book, I came to know that this is my niche, fictional stories, fictional books. I completed it in a day or two. I think yes, 1.5 day, and that also I was not reading constantly 1 day or two. Yes. So after that, I read Sorry, You Are Not My Type. Actually, I'm not into romantic fictional novels, but yes, that book was available at that time, so I read that. Okay, I completed that book also in 1 or 2 days. Yes, that's it. And after that, I read the book A Tales, The Tales from the Cafe. It is written by a Japanese author. I think there was a series of these books. This was the second edition of that series, The Tales from the Cafe. Okay, There are four editions of that book. Okay, so I completed this book also in 2 days, and after that I read Chetan Bhagat's book, One Arranged Murder. Yes, an arranged murder or one arranged murder. I think an arranged murder. Yes, that that book also I completed in 2 days, and after that, finally I have realized that this is my actual niche. This is the genre which suits me, which suits my preference. We can say that is my cup of tea. There is no books lined up for now, but yes, if will I have to search on internet which book are available on soft copies there free for free, so I'll read them right now. So that's it in this video. I just wanted to give you this piece of information only. So it's very important to understand your niche, your genre, because if you are reading a book of your genre, you will understand that book better, you will learn this book better, and you can relate that book better. It will hold you till the end. You will not feel bored or something else, that should I read this or not. You will not feel this. Instead, you will be more curious about the ending. This happens with me. As I have told you that I read the last book I read was One Arranged Murder, and at the ending I was very curious that who murdered Prerna, who murdered Prerna. As at first we were thinking that Adi murdered Prerna, means Prerna's chachu or Mamu. This is little confusing. So okay, and after that we thought that Prerna's dad or Mamu murdered her, or at the ending we came to know that the real culprit was Prerna's own sister. So yes, it was very interesting book. Okay, so that's it. Sorry for the mistakes which I'm doing while speaking, because I'm not fluent right now, but I'm trying. I'm getting better day by day. I'm getting better than my previous self. So yes, thank you. Bye bye. Hope you like it.